Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Summer is already at its peak in Kerala and so ripe mangoes have entered into the kitchen from the past few weeks. Mampazha Pulissery is an exquisite Kerala dish made of ripe mangoes and is super tasty and a star item in Kerala vegetarian feasts. To prepare this dish, I have peeled ripe mangoes, especially a variety called Priyur mangoes available in Kerala. They usually cooked as a whole, but if you're using any other variety of mangoes, you can slice them and cook. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder and an inch of jaggery peas is added to the mangoes and cook for around 15 minutes or until they are done. Meanwhile, 3/4 cup of grated coconut, 5 to 6 green chilies, half a teaspoon of jeera seeds are ground into a fine paste. This is then added to the mangoes once you feel that they are cooked enough. This paste is just allowed to simmer for a minute. Meanwhile, into the same jar is added 1 cup of slightly sour yogurt and given a stir in the blender. It's then added to the curry by switching off the flame first before adding and then gently warming it only for 20 seconds. The curry is then tempered with mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, dried chilies and curry leaves. To enhance the flavor, a teaspoon of ghee or even melted butter can be added. But usually I don't do it on the normal basis except for feasts. So here goes the authentic mango curry of Kerala. Do try this recipe and let me know your opinion. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.